In the heart of his bustling kitchen, Marco worked with a cold, surgical precision. He ignored the steam and the whispers of his staff. When a fellow chef suggested a pinch of salt, Marco snapped the shaker away. "My recipe is final," he barked. "Do not touch my station." The city's most feared critic sat at table 4. Marco watched from the shadows, arms crossed. But after one bite, the critic set his fork down with a deafening click. Marco marched out. "Is there a problem?" he demanded. The critic looked up coldly. "Did you even taste it?" Alone in the silence, Marco finally picked up a silver spoon. He tasted the sauce. It was flat, lifeless, and utterly bland. The spoon clattered to the floor as his pride shattered. An older chef placed a hand on his shoulder. "And you stopped listening." Before dawn the next day, Marco was back with a row of spoons. He tasted, adjusted, and listened. Weeks later, the critic returned. One bite, a slow nod of approval. Marco finally understood that the greatest ingredient was his willingness to learn.